Today we are looking inside the Praetor 500, an optimal combination of performance, technology, and comfort. Can it challenge its sibling Praetor 600? How about other aircraft on the market? Make sure to watch till the end to find out. Manufactured by Embraer, Praetor 500 is a mid-size business jet segment. The Praetor 500 was launched in October 2018 at the Orlando Executive Airport event alongside the super mid-size business jet Praetor 600. Praetor 500 received certifications from the European Aviation Safety Agency and U.S. Federal Aviation Administration in August and September 2019, respectively. The first delivery of the jet to an undisclosed customer took place in the third quarter of 2019. This powerful jet is the fastest in its class. It helps save time and reach more destinations with the utmost comfort. Transcontinental jet can fly from Miami to Seattle, San Francisco to Gander, Singapore to Beijing, or Dubai to Bangkok non-stop. This is the fastest mid-sized jet that can fly from the west coast of the USA to Europe with just one stop. A best-in-class range also boasts one of the healthiest cabin environments with built-in HEPA filters that remove 99.97% of bacteria from the air. You'll save time and feel fresh on arrival, ready to seize the day and pioneer a path into the future. The Praetor 500 is the latest development of the legacy 450 design. The jet keeps its predecessor's classic lines and elegant proportions intact, while incorporating the latest in cutting-edge aviation design to advance range and enhance your overall flight experience. All in one beautiful package. It has new winglets and extra fuel tanks for greater range and a class-leading cabin altitude of 5,800 feet. It also boasts fly-by-wire technology, and a stand-up cabin allows for a remarkably comfortable travel experience for up to 9 passengers. At the same time, 150 cubic feet of luggage space makes it easy to bring everything you need. Interior. Praetor 500 pairs a spacious cabin with solicitous touches like fully berthable seating, accent lighting, and Wi-Fi, to name a few. During the flight, fresh air is constantly supplied throughout the whole cabin of the aircraft. While many commercial jets rely on fans to recirculate cabin air, Praetor 500 utilizes compressed air endlessly taken from the sky throughout each flight. The air is cool, conditioned, and delivered throughout the interior non-stop. The air is being released from the cabin so that every breath you make is crisp, clean, and unrecycled. The Embraer Praetor 500 lets you choose from 4 distinct interior styles from the exclusive LXI cabin collection. A host of cutting-edge amenities make the flight feel like a rewarding escape. If your work is a major focus, the Praetor 500 allows you to maintain productivity with Ka-band connectivity and stowable workstations open flush with the side ledge. You will appreciate the flat floors that let your pets lay comfortably and allow you and other passengers easier navigation throughout the cabin. The Praetor 500's luxurious stone-floored and highly functional galley will impress anyone with a surplus of options, from a refreshing drink to a nourishing meal. It is equipped with a microwave, conventional oven, refrigerator, coffee brewer, beautiful crystal and silverware, making the flight experience comfortable and fulfilling. Superior craftsmanship and thoughtful attention to detail are evident throughout the elegantly conceived 6-foot-tall flat-floor cabin. The fully reclining design of the seats with full berthing capability to their optimal placement beside spacious windows is impressive. Matched with high-tech connectivity and a pleasurable cabin altitude, the Praetor 500's Bossa Nova interior design has been evolved to suit your needs. The Bossa Nova interiors boast carbon fiber materials, piano black coloring, and sophisticated stitching inspired by the iconic sidewalks of Ipanema Beach in Rio de Janeiro. The cabin's stowable tables share plenty of space, opening flush with the side ledge, whether working or dining. The interior design conveys an elegant, rhythmic sense of cool. Cabin amenities. The Embraer Praetor 500 is the most advanced mid-size business jet in its segment. It is designed to be the perfect aircraft for relaxation and productivity, so the list of amenities on the Praetor 500 will keep you connected with the outer world or peacefully off the grid, anything you desire. The ultra-quiet atmosphere of the cabin is ideal for everyday conversation, working, or relaxing. The Praetor 500 delivers the absolute best-in-class cabin altitude to keep you fresh and rested. While flying at 45,000 feet, you will feel like like you were at 5,800 feet. That's around half a mile below the altitude of Aspen. Wi-Fi connectivity is solid and reliable, just like your home or office. Embraer equips the Praetor 500 with the totally best connectivity, Ka-band and Gogo Avance L5. The jet's Honeywell Ovation Select Cabin Management Suite gives full 1080p HD video streaming and immersive audio. Exceptional feature on Embraer business jets, the upper technology panel with touchscreen puts flight status information, ambient lighting, and access to cabin control directly at your fingertips. Cockpit. The revolutionary high-tech Rockwell Collins ProLine Fusion flight deck marries cutting-edge technology with ergonomics and provides an intuitive interface between pilot and aircraft for a safer, easier flight. The dark and quiet cockpit reduces pilot fatigue and minimizes workload. This industry-leading aircraft also features a synthetic vision system to see what the human eyes can't discern for safer takeoff, landing, and in-flight operations. Enhanced vision and heads-up display extends situational awareness. Revolutionary industry-leading technology combined with superior flight deck ergonomics make this aircraft a dream to fly. Speed and performance. Any bumps, wind shears, and turbulence are eliminated to ensure a quieter cabin experience with the latest fly-by-wire and brake-by-wire technology. With breathtaking takeoff and landing distances, you will have access to runways that other midsize aircraft cannot cope with. Having an endurance rating of 7 hours on a range of 3,340 nautical miles, the possibilities are endless. The Praetor 500's takeoff distance is an impressive 2,842 feet and can land at a distance of only 2,086 feet. This commanding performance capability gives you direct access to many more destinations, more experiences, and more opportunities. The Praetor 500 embodies the pinnacle of comfort and performance on transcontinental missions with best-in-class cabin altitude and range. The Praetor 500 is the most disruptive midsize business aircraft in existence, available for only $16,995,000.